Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer, which is you, and simple ways. Today we're here to share a little top secret stuff here with you, and I think you're going to be amazed. We are blown away by what this stuff does for leather. Now, the key behind this is if you have newer leather or it's starting to crack or it's starting to wrinkle up, there's a reason behind it. I don't know what these guys have put in this stuff, but it is absolutely amazing. So that right there. Julio, tell everybody where they can get this amazing product.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez. And to let you know, Julio's thinking about changing his name to Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. I don't know. And I told him, I'm not calling him that. Wrong. All right, let's get started. Let me show you what I'm talking about with the cracking in the leather. Oh, do you remember this video? This is what that product will do to stop that from happening. Okay, this is what I'm talking about right here. See that cracking? This seat has never been treated, and it'll take about 5 or 6 treatments over a 6-month period, and these will all start to disappear. All this. Same with this right here. That one right there and there. The reason that happens is because it's dried out. Believe it or not, it's dried out. You think you may be putting the right stuff on. This is the best product that we've been using lately to be able to get rid of this stuff right here. So watch how I do it. It's so simple. Then I'm going to show you what it looks like on a seat that's never been treated, that's black. Let's get going. First, we cleaned it with our cleanser, and that will be in the show more as well, so we'll be able to find that and how to use it. You clean your leather first, and then this stuff that we're putting on has the most ultimate ingredients to be able to replenish your leather. If you've neglected it, or you have been using a conditioner that's not doing the job for you, this will take care of that. Oh, and if you notice your leather is starting to fade, you can see the back side of this right here, where the color is starting to fade off. This car is a 2015, and you can see if they would have had this conditioner on there, the one that's in the show more, this would have never happened. Now I get to sit on the opposite side here to show you how to do it. That way I'm out of your view. But it is so simple to use. Now what I do when your seats are not, they haven't been taken care of, and you're trying to get them replenished again. This works on coated and uncoated leather that we have found. And it's our #1 most used replenisher for leather that's been neglected, and we use it all the time now for most all high-end leather. It works like a charm. So let's get going. All we do, and you can use an applicator if you want, we just put it in our hand like this. You put your Venom on, your Venom gloves on, and it's actually safe for your hands. You could actually rub this right into your skin. It's really good for your hands. So you can do it without gloves. And if it's on a warm, nice warm day, just rub it in. Now you can see these seats are perforated, perfectly safe. Put it on heavy. We put it on heavy. And for those of you that have leather or cloth, even cloth seats, if you wear jeans all the time, your jeans are some of the worst types of clothing you can wear on your seating, because most people drag their hide right across this edge, and it ends up wearing that edge off, the color, the leather, all that. Wears your seating down really quick. Now, as I was saying before I interrupted myself, all these cracks and separations that are coming along in this seat will be gone in about 6 months. We've been messing with this product for quite a while and really are impressed. So if it's a warm day, put it on we let it set 6 to 8 hours. You don't have to, but do it 2 or 3 hours on a nice Saturday where you're out detailing your car. Let the stuff soak in. Get it right into the seams. Now, say that I've let that set 6 to 8 hours on a nice 80, 90, 100 degree day. It has really soaked into the leather. All you do is take your edgeless microfiber, nice, soft, fluffy one, and it's soaked in, and you just buff it up. It won't stay shiny, so all of you that are worried about your leather staying shiny, it will not stay shiny. In about 6 months, just doing this, your leather will be softer, more supple than you have ever seen, and the cracking and separation will start to go away. And you don't have to worry about it anymore. You have now done the best, absolute best you can do for your leather right here. Now let's go over and do the black seat on my personal bike, motorcycle, and that video will be also on our motorcycle channel. For those of you that haven't seen that, it's called Sweet Scoots. Sweet, SCOOTS. Check it out if you're into motorcycles. We got a lot of great stuff on motorcycles we're going to be doing this winter. Our paint protection videos for sun, heat, and snow and ice is coming up. Get ready for that. Do it again in another month. We'll do it again in another month, and you do that 6 times. You can do it every month if you want, and your leather will look brand new and last you a lifetime. And the resale value on your vehicle will be astronomically higher because your leather is in beautiful condition. All right, this is my personal bike seat. It's a new seat I put on. There's absolutely no conditioner that's ever been put on this seat. So watch what happens when I do it. And I'll never have to worry about the color fading. I'll never have to worry about it cracking and separating. Real simple. Now I've already touched the seat a little bit with my gloves because it still has some of the conditioner on it. But these guys have hit a home run with this stuff. I absolutely love this. I guarantee you'll love it. It works on leather steering wheels, all that. Rub it into the seams good, as I said. Now I'm not going to do the backside because I'm going to save that actually for the Sweet Scoots channel. This is the real McCoy. This stuff beats everything we have ever come up with. Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to buff it off now, but I'm going to reapply it and let it set for a whole day. I mean, you can let it set, the longer you let it set, the better. But I'm just going to show you, you've seen what it looked like. It was kind of a dull black. It has all the protection from all the elements right in it. And I had some people ask about making money detailing. It's really easy to do. Just offer it to people you know and family and friends. Say, hey, I'll wash your car for you, or hey, I'll hand wax it, or hey, I'll ceramic coat it. We have all the videos that you can get your grandson or your kid to work making money. You can do it. You can make an extra $1,500 a month easy, just messing around with it. You know what products to use. We share all the good stuff with you. All these leather marks here will start to diminish, but they will not get any worse than they already are right now. Just beautiful. And I'll do it again and again and again. But this is what it looked like. You can see where I laid the rag here. That leather is really trying to absorb this stuff. That gives you a better idea to this right here. Let's get back away from it a little bit.